Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas. It's winter here in Seattle and I'm craving spring, so I threw on a yellow shirt and thought it would be fun to look through lemon and citrusy cookbooks this week, or today especially. So I checked out Gennaro's Limoni from my library. It's by Gennaro Contaldo, who's written so many good Italian cookbooks. Love it, love it. Now I have not looked through this cookbook yet since I got it from the library. I was saving it to look through it with you, so I haven't cooked anything out of it either. It came out in December 2021. There's our author. I can't show you the whole cookbook, so we're just going to take a little preview through it. Gorgeous. The publisher is Interlink Books in Massachusetts. Table of contents, really simple. Small plates, vegetables, fish, meat, desserts, drinks and preserves, and sauces and dressings at the end. Let's read a little bit of the introduction. I wish I had yellow glasses, but pink is springy too. Lemons are precious to me, writes our author, Gennaro Contaldo. A symbol of my beloved homeland, they stir up fond memories of my childhood as well as having a wealth of uses. Lemons cleanse, refresh, disinfect, preserve, and are an absolute essential in the home. Lemons were and are still a part of daily life for the locals of the Amalfi Coast, and even though I came to England 50 years ago, my addiction for the citrus fruit has never ceased. Obviously, I was not able to find the Amalfi variety back then in the UK, but I would always buy the best I could, and when friends and family came to visit, their suitcase would be full of the sweetest of lemons, the absolute best present to remind me of home. Oh, I love it. And I have little miniature dwarf citrus trees in my guest room. They're up in the window to get the winter light, and we'll move them outdoors in a couple months, and we actually can harvest lemons occasionally. They take a long time to ripen. All right, first chapter, small plates. Beautiful. First recipe of the book. Insalata di finocchio e mela con ragù caldo agli agrumi. How did I do? Okay, let's do the English version. Fennel and apple salad with a warm citrus ragu. Wow, I never thought of making a citrus ragu. Insalata di ceci, chickpea salad. I love the photography. Nice. He writes that chickpeas and lemon go really well together, and this salad, which can be eaten warm or cold, is delicious for any occasion. Mixed seafood salad. Here's a mackerel and citrus fruit salad with caper dressing, but no photo, but at least we have a photo of the author. Lemon-infused pizza with sausage, mozzarella, and arugula. I would not have thought of that combo. Nice. I love lemon-infused pizza, but I usually have different toppings. Here's another photo of the pizza. And some tourism photos that make us want to travel, right? Chickpea puree, bruschetta with smoked salmon, raw vegetables with herb and lemon dip. Valentino's baked filled lemons. What? I have never heard of such a thing. That's so cool. Lemon marinade sardines with diced vegetables. Tuna filled lemons. What? Wow, I'm so glad I picked this up from the library. This is interesting. We're still in the small plates chapter, but I need to move ahead. But look at the tuna and lemon balls. Polpettini. Roasted pepper salad. Beautiful. That would make me feel like it's spring or summer, even though it's winter and raining here at my house. Amalfi lemon salad. Have you worked with Amalfi lemons? I don't think I have. Now we're in the vegetable chapter. I'm loving this cookbook so far. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Tagliatelle with lemon. Lemon and ricotta filled pasta. A lot of work, but I bet it's worth it. Here's the little pictures of the little dumplings. Zucchini lasagna with lemon bechamel sauce. Oh, yum. If you grow zucchini, you're going to have to find lots of ways to use it at the end of summer, you know what I mean? Pasta and chickpeas with fennel and lemon. Some step-by-step photos for gnocchi. Oh boy. Lemon gnocchi. Too much work, I'm too busy. Fennel and lemon risotto. Or risotto. Two ways to say it. Another travel photo. Oh, I want to travel. Lemon-infused bulgur with vegetables, and our author. Sauteed green beans with breadcrumbs and lemon. Look how simple that would be to make. Oh, that's right up my alley right there. And I love that the name of the chapter is at the bottom. Now this is lemon-infused cannellini beans with veggies. That's a good way to use up our pandemic stash of canned beans that we all went and got, right? A lemon frittata? What? Oh, wow. You know, I'm going to have to give this back to the library in a couple days. I think I need to buy myself a copy. Asparagus with a creamy butter and lemon sauce and poached eggs. Because there's so many things I want to make, and a lot of these are vegetarian. Filled zucchini flowers. Fish chapter. Spaghetti with anchovies, walnuts, and lemon juice. His mother's cod salad. Linguine with pistachio pesto and tuna. Sea bass fillets in lemon crazy water with vegetables. I don't know what that is. Oops, a little library paper. Steam-baked lemon-infused sea bream. Baked rolled sole fillets. Oh, I have to show you these filled sardines coated in breadcrumbs, and I assume fried. Baked? Fried? Whatever. Meat chapter. What's gonna be here? Sicilian-style chicken in voltini. Travel picture. Lemon and herb-infused roast chicken. With lemon gravy. Wow. Easter lamb with eggs and lemon. Now we're in the desserts chapter. This is going to be fun. I love lemon desserts. Lemon and mint sorbet. Very Italian. Lemon cookies. Biscotti al limone. Here's the author with a sheet of cookies. Come to my house and bake for me. Creamy lemon cake. Yum. Lemon tart. Doesn't look super lemony, but I bet it's delicious. White chocolate and lemon mousse with raspberries. Oh, this makes me want summer to get here sooner. Lemon tiramisu. I've never had such a thing. I'm not a tiramisu fan, but I would eat the heck out of that. Wow. Okay, I can't show you the whole book, but it's all so good. Okay, lemon granita. And now we're going to have to end. That was awesome. I hope you enjoyed looking through that as much as I did. I cannot wait to get in here and get cooking. I'll probably make some kind of a lemon pasta from this cookbook. You can see more of our cookbook videos at cookbookdivas.com, which is our blog. We post videos to YouTube, cookbook news and info to our Cookbook Divas Facebook and Instagram. And we also have a cookbook podcast where we talk about new and upcoming releases. And I bet you can guess it's called Cookbook Divas. Thanks for watching.